welcome back to Amy's Guide, part 2 of
the Slime Lab from Steam Hubs.
We're going to be making the metal-eating monster.
He's gonna eat all of our metal.
This is gonna be fun. Now, let's start the experiments.
1. Put the boiled water in the beaker, which we did.
50 milliliters.
And then put 10 teaspoons, the yellow small one, of iron powder.
Now stir it well, and we're going to put the glue. Let's add the glue.
And after you're done stirring, it's time for the next step.
Let's put half a test tube of oil. Mix it all together then. Now, put this aside, and let's start the next step. Get a cup. Now add 1 teaspoon of borax and put some boiling water. And after we're done with that, now we're going to start putting this into our beaker.
Teaspoon by teaspoon, so you don't ruin its elasticity. And now, after you're done stirring, your monster is ready.
Now let's test it out and see if he really does eat metal.
Is he hungry or not? Eye number 1. And eye number 2. Just right here.
Hello! Please leave a name for me in the comments down below. Please leave a name for him in the comments.
Ooh, food!
He's eating it!
Thank you very much.
That was very yummy. Let me try to eat another one again. He's gonna eat another one.
Thank you.
Very, very, very yummy. And the last thing we're going to do with him is and we can also give him a trunk. Like a trunk.
And here's a Mickey metal-eating monster. And he's gonna eat it right in his mouth. Thank you!
And that is the end of our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And don't forget to
Make me a name and write it in the comments down below.
see you next time. Bye! Bye!